Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, class. How are you all? Hopefully, you all are fine. Okay, beta. Today we will do our classwork. Today is the day is Wednesday, 13th January 2021. Okay, beta. Today our topic is we need air. Okay, beta. Open your inspiring science. Open the chapter we need air. Okay, class. Open the page number 68. Our chapter name is we need air. Okay, we have already completed this chapter. Now we are revising this. Okay, beta. Draw two things that fly in the air. You can draw balloon and you can draw a kite. Okay, these two things you can draw on your notebooks or on your books or anything else you can draw. Okay, that can fly in the air. Okay, we have read the chapter already. Now we are just revising and now we will do back exercise and you will learn. Okay, class. All living things need air to live. Okay. Without air, all animals, all living things will die. Okay. The moving air is called wind. What is wind? Moving air is called wind. The next is air takes up space. Yes. When we blow a balloon, it becomes bigger. It shows the air takes space. Okay. Now look at page number 69. Air has weight. Yes. Take two footballs and press them. Both have the same weight. When we fill a football, it becomes heavier. It shows the air has weight. You can do this activity by yourself. Okay. Now look at here. Uses of air. All living things need air to breathe. For breathing we need air. Okay, the next one is air is helpful. Air is needed for lighting fire. Okay, the next one is air helps boat to sail. Next, air helps to dry clothes. Air helps to feel cool under the fan. Air helps you to fly kites and balloons. Okay. Now, look at page number 70. Okay. Here is an exercise we will solve and we will learn. Okay. We all have already done. Now we just revise and learn. Okay. State whether the following statements are true or false. Air occupies no space. It's false. Recently we have revised air has weight and air has space. It's false. Air is needed for burning. Yes, air is needed for burning. You will learn it. Okay. What is the difference between wind and storm? When the air moves fast, it is called wind. The wind becomes very fast along with heavy rains. It damages trees, crops, buildings, vehicles and many other things. Such type of wind is called storm. Storm damage the things and fast moving air is called wind. Okay, now look at the exercise. Fill in the blanks. Gentle moving air is called breeze. Spelling of breeze, B-R-E-E-Z-E, breeze. Strong wind and air causing damage is called a storm. Spelling of storm, S-T-O-R-M. Okay, class. Now, look at the page number 71. We are revising our exercise, filling the blanks. The first filling the blanks is, we can feel air when it is burst or move. When it is moves. Spelling of moves, M-O-V-E-S. The next one is, moving air is called sail or wind. Wind, W-I-N-D. Air takes up space. Air takes up space. Or food. We have two options. The correct option is space, S-P-A-C-E. The next is, air has weight or length. Air has weight, W-E-I-G-H-T. Fifth one is, we need air to breathe. Spelling of breathe, B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Sixth one is, air helps to dash cloth, to dry cloth. Air helps us to dry our clothes. Spelling of dry, D-R-Y, dry. Dash is needed for burning. Air or water? Air is needed for burning. You will write A capital because first letter always capital, A-I-R. Okay, a dash can damage many things. Storm or breeze? Gentle air is called breeze. Storm damage many things. Okay. Okay. Look at the exercise 2. Cross the one option that does not use air. Okay. Elephant need air to breathe and plants also need air to live. Okay. Books not need. You will cross it. Okay. The second one is, balloon is filled with air and the bird also need air. The bat does not need. You will cross the bat. Okay. The next one is, a man need air. A girl need air. Chair does not need. You will cross it. The next one is, windmill need air. Yes. Aeroplane need air. Yes. Pencil does not need. You will cross it. Fan need air. Yes. A boat need air. Yes. An X does not need. You will cross it. A tube need air. Yes. It filled with air. Football need air. Yes. Ruler does not need. Okay, beta. Better learn the exercise. Okay. Your HW is, you will learn the question answers of chapter safety for the test. Question answers of chapter safety you will learn for the test. We done this exercise. Okay. Now you will revise and learn, and your HW is question answers of chapter safety. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.